Men of Reddit, what was something you deeply regret that you did out of horniness? I had heard rumors about the legendary sorority house on campus where the most beautiful girls resided. I couldn't resist the temptation, so, like a total idiot, I decided to sneak into that house one night. My mission? Well, I figured that hiding in the bathroom would be my ticket to catching glimpses of those gorgeous girls in their most vulnerable moments. Yeah, I know, it sounds messed up now, but back then, hormones clouded my judgment. Night after night, I successfully concealed myself in that tiny bathroom, eagerly awaiting the sound of the shower running. And each time when those steamy showers started, I saw them in all their bare glory. And well, you can guess what happened next. On what must have been the 9th time of my twisted little escapade, something went terribly wrong. Maybe I was too caught up in the moment, or maybe I just got sloppy, but someone noticed. One of the girls heard my heavy breathing and discovered my secret hiding place. The screams and the gasps were deafening, and within minutes, the police were called. Long story short, I ended up getting arrested for trespassing and invasion.